So if this law passes and drivers become employees, this is detrimental to Uber's business model and could actually be the end of Uber in California. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. If you're new here, hi, my name's Dylan. You know, nice to meet you. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. Thanks for subscribing. So, you know, you get my videos and you get Uber and Lyft updates. I really do appreciate it. So today's video, I'm going over something, there's so much that has been going on in this past month. It is absolutely insane. This is the biggest time ever in Uber driving history, so you're not gonna wanna miss today's video. For anyone who doesn't know what's going on, really quick, 30-second debrief. Basically, Uber and Lyft is just becoming so big. Now there's, you know, nearly 3 million drivers in the United States, and the California Assembly passed a bill to make Uber drivers employees. And basically, because, you know, there's so many people relying on Uber and Lyft for full-time income, the California government basically decided that Uber and Lyft are hacking the system and their drivers, you know, you and me, should be considered employees. So, you know, it still needs to be passed through the Senate. So the government needs to either sign it, change it, veto it, whatever. So it's still not 100% passed, but Uber and Lyft responded and said, hey, you know, instead of making drivers employees, let's give them some employee type benefits. Instead, raise their pay, you know, give them some healthcare benefits and the right to, you know, they're gonna create an association for drivers. So in order, it's like a compromise in order to modernize the law. I'm gonna go over it really quick. I don't know about you guys, but every single morning I look up Uber news because, you know, this is my job. So I don't know, like when I'm driving Uber and Lyft, I wanna know exactly what's going on. You know, that's why a lot of you guys watch my videos. I always recommend drivers to look up rideshare blogs. Before I get into the video, if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver and you want more pay, if you want an increase in benefits, if you don't wanna be an employee, maybe you do wanna be an employee, but if you drive, give the video a big thumbs up. It helps me so much. And then also subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. All right, so as you can see here, guys, this is a really important article I wanted to go over. This is by benefitspro.com. Uber Lyft seek compromise to keep drivers contract worker status. Uber Technologies and Lyft Inc. are urging a compromise that would keep drivers being considered employees. This is the Uber CEO. He said, we can make independent work better if we update century-old employment laws. From CEO and also Lyft co-founders. Many drivers are offering ideas to improve their experience. Companies like ours have a responsibility to come to the table to do our part. Basically, Uber and Lyft now are realizing that if drivers have to become employees, their business model no longer works. They will probably have to shut down in California because, you know, if they become employees, if we become employees, then we're gonna have to work set schedules, minimum wages, you know, we're gonna have to drive when and where, we're not gonna be able to control anything. And as you can see in this article, it says, this is the Uber CEO, Green Zimmer, they say very few jobs allow you to start or stop working whenever, wherever, as often as you want. Rather than forcing companies to classify them as employees, California should embrace an alternative. Let them keep their drivers as contractors, but guarantee the drivers some minimum pay during the time they're picking up and dropping off passengers. Create a company-supported benefits fund for perks like paid time off, and establish an association for drivers to advocate for further improvements. If you want paid time off, if you want increase in pay, if you want benefits, those are 3 things. Give the video a thumbs up. But I actually got an email from Uber. It says, Dylan, we need your help. Tell lawmakers to protect driver flexibility. And basically, you know, I'm not gonna go over all of that, but you can sign the petition if you want. I recommend changing this up because Uber already has like a preset paragraph. You know, tell California legislator to modernize the law pretty much. I would probably change this up a little bit if you do wanna sign it. But then I did want to say this really quickly. Uber said that requiring drivers to be treated as employees would require us to fundamentally change our business model and consequently have an adverse effect on our business and financial condition. So adverse effect, I did want to look it up just to confirm. Preventing success or development, harmful, unfavorable. So if this law passes and drivers become employees, this is detrimental to Uber's business model and could actually be the end of Uber in California. Drivers are not gonna sign up to have set schedules. Most people drive Uber and Lyft for part-time like I do. And even if I did drive full-time, I want to drive when I want and where I want. I don't want to, you know, be treated as an employee. That's the reason I started driving for Uber. So let me know your thoughts down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you want increase in pay. I do know people at Uber and Lyft who read my comment section, so give the video a thumbs up and then also comment down below your thoughts. What do you want? I would love an increase in pay. I would love, you know, health benefits, healthcare, paid time off. Yeah, I want to travel to the Bahamas and get paid for it. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm gonna be creating a video soon on how to make 100 grand a year driving for Uber and Lyft. You do need both apps, so subscribe so you don't miss that video. All right, guys, I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.